Huobi Global is a cryptocurrency exchange with advanced trading capabilities. This exchange allows users to buy, sell, and trade around 350 different cryptocurrencies, as well as access to margin and future trading bots, over-the-counter OTC trading, and staking crypto assets for rewards. It also offers loans for traders to borrow against their holding. As one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges with reasonable trading fees, Huobi Global is a great option for moderate, advanced trader as well as institutional investor. So if you're a new trader and interested in this exchange, so this video is for you, because in this video, we're going to show you how to create your own account and enable KYC on your account. And besides, just by clicking on the referral link or using our referral code in the description below, you can get 20% off all trading fees. Now let's jump into the video. So first, if you haven't got Huobi Global app, just go to the App Store to download it. Now tap on the app and agree on the reminder. You can see here is the interface of Huobi Global app, which is quite similar to other exchange. There will be several small instructions pop up here in case you're newcomers. Now tap on Me to create your account. This is where you're gonna log in and sign up. Tap on Sign Up. First, please choose your countries. Now just fill in your number phone and also your password. Make sure that your password is strong enough. For the referral code, you can get 20% off all trading fees by using our referral link or using our referral code in the description below to sign up. Then tap on Send Verification Code. Now you need to drag the icon into the target zone for security verifications. You will receive a code via your number phone, so fill it in here and just wait. Now you're successfully signed up and logged in. ID verification is required. Now go to your accounts. You can see the red words unverified next to your ID. Just tap on it and choose Start. First, you need to select your countries and then select your document type. In here, I will use my ID card. Now, just take the front and back photo of your document, and then tap Continue. The review won't last within 5 minutes, but actually it's just take a few seconds, so don't worry. Now you can see the word Start here one more time, so tap on Start. Now please position your face to fit the camera for face recognition. And you have just complete the verification process. Now there will be one more step, that is to hire your security. Now tap on the setting symbol at the upper right of your screen and choose Security. Now you can see your account security level is L, which means low. You need to link your email and Google Authenticator. Tap on Emails and fill in yours. Then you will receive a code via your email, so go to your email and take the code that you received. Remember the code or just copy and paste it here. Now tap on SMS or voice to receive the code. Here I'll choose SMS. Fill in the code that you receive and then tap Confirm. Now for the Google Authenticator, I already downloaded it on my phone. So now come to the Google Authenticator. I will create a name for my account and then paste the key that I have just copied on the Huobi Global app here and then tap Next. This is your Google Authenticator code. And now go back to Huobi Global app. Enter your Google Authenticator code. You need to get the SMS code and email code like the previous step that I have just done. And then tap confirm. See, your account security now is turned to H, which means high. And now you can start trading and making transactions on Huobi app. If you are looking for a complete walkthrough of any crypto changes, please check out the links down below. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Kayak Master, and also turn on the notification bells for more tutorials. We still have a lot of bonuses and promotes that we can't wait to share with you guys. See you in the next video.